which means we're going hiking.
We are.
And we're gonna go try to find a waterfall and jump in it.
You know we did this last year for my birthday too? We went on a hike.
Yeah, but that hike was...
Yeah, that was kind of a sad hike.
We climbed up a dirt hill.
Yeah, we had a great time though.
It was a lot of fun, but we're gonna do a redo, and hopefully this will be a more beautiful hike. Scenic waterfall. So we're on our way to Malibu to hike up Escondido Falls.
I'm just excited to go on a hike, to be honest. I want to see a waterfall, and I'm gonna do my best to jump in despite me being from Florida and only being used to swimming in lukewarm water. So, here we go. So pretty. Look at this. Look at the waves crashing.
Okay, we have arrived, caffeinated, snacked up, and
Yes, ma'am.
getting ready to hike.
Oh yeah, we are actually professional hikers. We hike really fast. Like we're like speed walking on that trail.
Until we take a break. And then we're not speed walking.
Until we see a butterfly.
Yep.
And then we're like,
But before then,
before then, we're like
professional
crazy.
hikers. Let's go hiking.
Let's do it.
We are hiking, and it is getting warm.
A little warm. We
But-
realized that we're wearing the same set.
We don't look like we're wearing the same set because we're wearing different tops, but
We are.
we are wearing the same
And we didn't plan it.
shorts. We did not plan it. We just showed up in the exact same top and shorts.
Yeah.
But
Also, I'm not sure if we are on the trail. People behind us stopped walking behind us.
yeah, no, they didn't stop. I think
they're
they're just
slow.
moving a little slower.
Professional hikers, that's why.
Well, look at that house. But yeah, we're not on like a trail. We're walking on the road, so
We're cheating, basically.
I'm not sure when we're gonna hit a trail. But we're talking about our plan for the day.
Yes.
I think we're gonna go hike to this waterfall
Yeah.
and then grab some lunch. It's gonna be a good day. It's beautiful. Oh, there's hikers.
Oh,
There
yeah.
we go. Okay,
All right,
we're in the right place. I'm warming up. It's a warm day. I was cold at first, but now I'm getting a little bit sweaty.
I get so interested in what other people are interested in. Oh, it's horse poop.
I don't think this is the trail.
Alright. Well, I'm glad you're walking first.
I don't know. I don't know if this is it.
Oh, there's people that way. Oh, yeah.
I don't
They
think
are
this
like
is it.
way over there. There's the trail we're supposed to be on. And here's the trail where we are.
I don't think we're in the right place.
We're not.
We're not in the right place.
Let's go back.
Oh boy. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh.
Like, oh, your branches are hitting me.
Like I said, we are professional hikers.
Oh my god. Oh, remember left.
Sorry. Found it. Hi.
Hi. It's so pretty.
It is.
I wasn't expecting it to be so green because
I know.
it's October, but
It's green
super
just for us.
It is. Oh, look, there's a little bit of water. It's a tiny little creek. What was that?
We should. Damn. We should either run in front of these people really fast, or we should let them go ahead of us so that we can have the trail to ourselves. Those are my thoughts. We should just like wander off into the woods. Yeah, a little more secluded.
Wander off the trail.
21st birthday is the last birthday, guys. That's it.
Also,
Tapping
we
out.
did see a warning about ticks.
So is that the only reason why we're not wandering off into the woods?
Yeah.
Okay.
And snakes.
That's so valid. I hate snakes.
feel like we've been hiking for a while,
Yeah.
but we're not totally sure where we are or how far we have to go.
I hear water.
Yeah.
So.
We've been hiking along like a little creek this whole time. So, keep you posted. But we think we're close. That's where we're gonna go. Up there, where those little people are. It's a stream.
It's a stream.
And there's pretty grass. It's supposed to be fall, but everything's green. So, let's keep hiking.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Wait 1 second. Give me 1 second. There was a giant scorpion on your ear.
Scorpion?
Yes. I just got it for you. That's why I was just not telling you to. It was like that big. Yeah, you're good. We're gonna survive this 21st, guys.
Oh, wow. We made it. We were thinking that we would be able to swim, but it's not really deep Hi. This one's pretty. It's kind of ombre. The waterfall wasn't really a swimmable place, but we found this creek and
We did.
sat in it.
Yes. We cooled ourselves off, and now both of our butts are wet.
Yep. Happy birthday, Vendela! Woo! Happy birthday, dear Vendela! Happy birthday to you! Yay!
Yeah.
I think this was successful.
I would say so. I got to see a waterfall. That's all I wanted.
A scorpion
Oh,
and
yeah, that too.
a waterfall later, and we're ready to go home.
Let's do it.
So let's hike back. I can't believe that I got a scorpion on me. I've never even seen one here.
Yeah, it was small. Like, it wasn't that.
Still, what happens when you get stung by a scorpion? I think it just hurts, right?
Yeah, but is it like a bee where the stinger's in you?
I don't think so, because it's such a big stinger. Is there venom?
Well,
I don't know. Either way, I didn't get stung, and we're gonna be careful on our walk back. I'd say we're about halfway back.
yeah.
you think we're halfway? I think we're halfway.
Yeah, I know there's an uphill because we went downhill for like a while
Yep.
coming here, and both of us were talking about this. I hate at the beginning of the hike when there's a huge downhill because I know I'm gonna be dying on the way back up.
And it's like at the very, very end, so you're the most tired, and then you walk uphill. So we still have an uphill to reach.
Yes.
We haven't reached that yet. Way too late. We are almost home, halfway there.
Living on a prayer.
Is this everything you wished for your 21st birthday?
Absolutely.
Perfect. We made it back to the car.
We did. It was a treacherous journey.
It was. It was a good adventure, a good quest.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
I had a good time.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, well, anyways, hope you have a wonderful day.
Off to get acai bowls.
Off to get acai bowls.
Bye.
Bye!